Nice driving, Craig. 5 months worth of lessons, you're finally getting the hang of this now.
You know what, pal? You're really pissing me off.
That's nice, Craig. We'll find you a clean pair of pants back at the office.
Oh, that does it. We'll see who needs new pants.
I'm billing your parents for this, Craig. I told the school I need dual control, but no. This isn't funny, Craig. Let's just slow down and whoa, whoa, whoa!
If there was one thing I hated more than driving lessons, it was bullets.
Great stuff. Good lesson. Now, pull over on the right here, please, Craig.
There's still time on the clock, and I want my money's worth.
Please, I'm too young. Inside, I'm still young.
How about a discount on those lessons?
Oh, I see. This is extortion. Never. I have my dignity.
You do?
I'll give you 10% off your many, many future lessons.
Not even close. There you go. That was easy, wasn't it? Clean pants. That's what you need. Let's grab a cup of coffee. You know what? You want proof? Let me do something crazy with that guy and you'll get your proof. Now, where'd that jackass go?
Bro, just tell her you were with me, you drank too much, and you crashed at my place. She'll never find out.
Never find out what?
Yeah, that's right, my boy.
This is gonna be fun. That was a crash. You want to go again?
No! No, I'm good.
Check that out, Jones.
Who?
Jones. It's my new name for you. Oh,
crap, man. That guy's a complete maniac.
I'm the complete maniac.
Don't play me, man. You got a tip-off, right? What's he pumping? PCP?
Unbelievable. Okay, what if he pisses off the cops?
He's already pissing me off.
I mean other cops. Watch. Watch this, Jones.
I'm telling you, you just jumped the freaking car over a truck.
I did? Oh, we better find a cop and turn ourselves in.
What? No. You didn't.
It was the responsible thing to do.
You're bringing the whole precinct down on top of us.
You're right. What was I thinking? Hold tight. I'm gonna do anything I can to put things right.
More cops.
More fun.
Oh, what I got? I think we lost one. Is this a joke? A terrible, not funny at all joke?
So, plans for tonight?
Go into hiding? Steady, man! Please! Was it something I said?
Probably, yeah.
Yes! Yes! We're losing them! Did we made it.
Yeah, and I bet they won't be able to trace us, like with the plate, the make, the color, all that stuff.
God damn it!
Yeah, good luck with that. You see that? I did that. Me, not him. Me.
What? John, my mama could have told you that fool was gonna attract some heat. Give it up, man.
Right. $50 says he's hooked to a tow truck before they catch him.
Whatever, man. It's your money.
This is madness! What's got into you?
Trust me, you wouldn't believe me if I told you. Wait a couple minutes, then punch me in the face as hard as you can.
Whoa!
Hey, what about the old lady with the... We got no filming permit for this street, Marie. Let's get to the agreed location.
Yeah. Ready to put the car in carnage?
Do you know something I don't?
Just keep your camera rolling, Jeff.
It's Jack, and this better be good. Here we go. Speeding cars are where it's at, so keep your eyes peeled.
Who wants to break the speed limit in the name of entertainment? Not quite Bonneville Flats, but good enough for cable.
We got our speed freaks! Come on, give me some tire smoke!
Lights, camera, and some drifting action. Tire smoke. Love it.
Drifting's cool, but I want to see cars colliding head-on.
Just a little head-on collision. Nothing terminal, just enough to entertain. I'm gonna punch it.
Go for it, babe. A game if you are.
I'll just do a little head-on hello. Nothing serious.
It's my car, so you do what I say.
Well, you're a real friendly one. Another day, another airbag. What do you think?
I love it, but I want more.
If you say so.
Emmy. Gotta.